Hey guys, happy Saturday. I'm here with my Jumbo Happy Holidays mug and my matching Santa pajama shirt that I wear as regular everyday wear. Anyways, I just got up, did my Blogilates, did my skincare routine. Now I'm doing my coffee, and I just prepped up my bananas for my Costco haul this week. For those of you who are new, I get bananas, and when they come to my desired ripeness, I chop them up into thirds, and then I just freeze them. That way I have them for smoothies and what have you. But speaking of smoothies, I just got sucked into, I've always watched YouTube videos and whatnot for this. Here, I'll show you guys. For this daily harvest, and I've been dying to try it for probably 2 or 3 years now. You guys know I'm like into trying out different fun foods and whatnot, so I ordered a bunch of these. They look really good, tart cherry and raspberry. And I also got some of them that are soups. This is a butternut squash rosemary puree. An oat bowl. I'm really stoked for these, you guys. Harvest bowl with Brussels sprouts and lime pad thai. I think it's gonna be really good. So yeah, I'm stoked to try those out just to kind of give me some different ideas for smoothies. Can you tell I like frozen cauliflower? Anyways, yeah, so let's just pop those in. But guess what, you guys? I made another batch of soy yogurt last night, and here it is coming to being done. I just basically incubated overnight in my little Kosari. Looks pretty cool. Yeah, I make my own soy milk and my soy Bella, and then I add some yogurt probiotic starter that's vegan. You can get on iHerb. I'll list it down below. And a tablespoon of maple syrup per liter of soy milk. And you have to add some sort of sugar in order for the bacteria to do their thing. So that doesn't end up being a whole lot, a tablespoon in a liter. But yeah, it comes out really good. That is done, so I'm gonna divvy it up for the Frigidaire, but I'll show you guys. I have some here that is in the fridge. And this soy yogurt, you know, I've made almond milk yogurt before. In contrast, the soy milk gets a lot thicker. It's a little grainy-ish, but personally, I really think it's delicious. It has a great flavor, and basically what I'll do, I'm gonna put the lid on this, is I'll actually take a few scoops of this and save a little aliquot, and then for my next batch, I'll just move that aliquot forward into the next batch rather than doing a new packet of probiotic, because with each passage, the bacteria kind of get more efficient, and you get a better flavor profile. So yeah, this is my second round on this particular packet. So I'm anticipating this particular yogurt will have a little bit more of a flavor to it than this did. And then moving forward, we're gonna just get more and more delicious. So yeah, that's what's going on. See how nice and thick it is? I didn't add any thickener or any emulsifier in this. Soy personally, I find that soy makes a better non-dairy milk yogurt, personally, in comparison to the nut milks. It just thickens up and cooperates more easily. Plus, it has more protein in it, and I don't know, I find it does for me what yogurt used to do for me, and works quite well. All right, Advent day 9. Where's she at? Oh, yeah. Really? What is this? All right, so this is the Agatha Skin Radiance Primer. This is supposed to go on your face before you put on your makeup to help it go on better. Unfortunately, just like most primers out there on the market, particularly those by brands that primarily, no pun intended, create makeup products, they put a ton of fragrance in this. Fragrance and citrus oils, really bad for your skin. Sensitizing, irritating. It's going to make it more likely that you're going to develop an issue with your makeup and acne cosmetica. You put this on and then you go putting on a long wear foundation, plus or minus blushes with red dyes in them. I mean, that's a setup right there for irritation and acne cosmetica. So I don't recommend this. Or the other one that you guys ask a fair amount about is the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. You guys, that's pretty much a fragrance bomb as well. You know, with the primers, try out a few different oil-free moisturizers as makeup primers. I don't think all of them would work the same, you know, give you the same effect, but some of them I believe work just as well as these products in terms of getting your makeup to go on more smoothly and staying in place better. Particularly those that have dimethicone in them. That's a good ingredient for just kind of smoothing out the surface of the skin. No, it's not pore clogging or deadly or going to do any of these things that the internet tries to tell you that it does. You know, try out a few of them. For example, I think even Monistat Chafing Cream, you know, I've mentioned this before, it's touted as being a good makeup primer dupe, and that's free of added fragrance. So, you know, it works, and it's a much better option than putting sensitizing garbage on your face. Ooh, a pink box. Speaking of red dyes, we have a blush cushion. 3CE. This is I hear good things about this for people who like makeup. This is a blush cushion in the color peach. Really nice packaging. This kind of reminds me of Tarte has blushes that kind of come in packaging like this. Oops. I just dumped the little... There we go. Oh, how nice. Please make sure to close the cap after use. Let's see what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. I will not be using that, but I definitely will be using this mirror. I really need a handheld sunscreen reapplication mirror. So I'm actually elated to have this little compact. And it's really stylish packaging. I'm happy with that. You guys, this calendar has, even though like I'd say half the skincare products are nothing I would ever recommend, it's been great for the purpose of this channel for chatting, and the, you know, I think they're popular products who just suffer from the limitations of added fragrance. All right, so we did day 9, let's do day 10. Oh wait, we did day 10. We did day 9, let's do day 11. Ew, what is this? Oh, this is a highlighter by Holika Holika. Jeline. Cool. This company makes an aloe that I've reviewed for you all. I don't think I'm going to take it, I don't think I'm going to unpackage it, but look, it's this shimmery pearlescent pink. Can you guys see that? I'm not going to break the seal on it because I'm probably going to give this away. It's not something I would use, but it seems nice. Cool. Hey guys, we're here at Dickens on the Strand.
Hi everybody, happy Saturday.
Oh, look at these. Santa ornament.
It's okay.
Yeah, people dress up. It's kind of like a Christmassy Renaissance festival, craft fair. came to Jason's Deli for lunch.
Our favorite place away from home.
Yeah. What'd you think of Dickens on the Strand?
It was entertaining. We had perfect weather.
Yeah.
I just, I don't know, maybe I wasn't in the mood to frolic in the street. I don't know.
Yeah. It was crowded.
I enjoyed the bagpipes. That was really good.
Yeah. People really
Drummers.
did well with their costumes. I was impressed. Yeah, it was pleasant. It was kind of fun. I got broccoli, mushrooms, carrots, cucumber, zucchini, the edamame garbanzo salad, beets, peas, red bell pepper, sesame crackers, and cucumber.
And I got
You got corn salad.
lots of greens. Yeah, I did get the corn salad this time.
Oh, and they've got onion.
Onion rings. And I also got a lot of red pepper.
Good. Bon appetit. Yeah, it was really crowded, so it's kind of hard to vlog when it's that crowded because you feel like you're always putting the camera in people's face. But hopefully I got some good footage for you guys. It's just kind of hard. I tried to, yeah. Yeah, people really went all out. I'm reading A Tale of Two Cities, so it's kind of fun to be in the spirit. Where have you been? He's looking at you.
He's stalking me because
He wants
he
his...
left this.
Got him. He's like...
Oh, good one. He's so talented.
He can catch it midair.
Yes, you are. You're a very talented little boy. Oh, good one. Oh, yeah. Yeah, you had lots of chance to
He
rest
wants
all
to
day
do this.
The Buccaneer badge.
Did you miss...
Dickens.
Did you miss everybody? He goes, focus on the task at hand, please.
He gets in position, too.
He's like a little...
I'm locked on.
Little boy. Little boy. Darby Bell.
Oh, it's
Darby
my
Bell.
turn? I see. We're taking turns. Yeah. No.
Lammy, is your defense back there? Best offense is good defense. Darby.
There were some dogs at the in Galveston today, Ty.
It explicitly said on the website, no dogs allowed at the Dickens thing. Again?
We had a nice lunch at the Jason's Deli in, where was that?
Is that Sugarland?
Pearland, maybe?
Maybe, yeah.
It was in between
Houston and Galveston.
and Houston. But it was a nice one.
Yeah, it was nice. It was, they're always nice and clean.
Yeah.
You always know what you're going to get there. Well, we're back, as you guys can tell. My mom's tree's looking nice back there.
It's beginning to look a lot like
Christmas.
Yep, it is.
This little ball thing you made, it's cute.
Oh,
I like that.
I think that's kind of silly, but yeah.
It's cute. Anyways, guys, I think I'm going to wrap up the vlog here. I hope you all enjoyed it. And if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and as always, don't forget, sunscreen and subscribe. I'll talk to you guys
Bye.
tomorrow.
We'll talk to you tomorrow.
Bye.
Breakfast tomorrow.